reunite here with my niece Natalie, and we're going to try something called Mimo. This is Mochi ice cream, Japanese ice cream, cookies and cream, and we're going to try it, let you know exactly what we think. Alright, I'm going to open it. Well, that would be okay. Oh, there we go. I got it.
You got it.
Yep.
Goes in a little tray.
There's 6 in here. We'll give her some one.
Oh, wow. Battery.
Ready? No smell.
Oh.
Let's give it a try.
Ow, it's cold. It's cold.
Just came out of the freezer.
No. It's still cold.
Kind of like a dough on the outside.
What texture?
And the cookies cream on the inside is really good. Like it's like chocolate ice cream mixed with cookies and cream, kind of. You know what I'm trying to.
Yeah. The outside texture's weird.
Weird, but it's still good. Like
Is it sweet?
the outside is meant to keep the ice cream on the inside.
Right.
It tastes so weird.
You're supposed to bite it.
I know, but still.
Okay, so what y'all think? You good?
I like it. I give it a 4 out of 5. It's not
It's
overly
just
sweet.
weird. So I'm gonna give it like a 3.
Like
It's weird, but it's 4.
have you ever had like velvet freeze?
It's like my
Yeah.
finger.
When it was here.
You know, you can tell it was chocolate, whatever, but it wasn't like overly strong on flavor. It's like that. So it's not bad at all. I give these a 4 out of 5. I think they're really good. And it's not like you need a spoon or anything because you can just eat them. Just bite them.
Well, some folks.
Right? She's not sure how to eat it, I think.
I know, but it's just I don't really like the outside.
What's your thoughts? Or do you have any?
It's just weird. My finger got stuck to it. Just,
You're supposed to bite it.
I know. The inside's good, but the outside's weird.
Yeah, the outside is almost like a dough kind of. It's almost like a fondue almost, but it's like more doughy. Almost like a frozen like donut maybe.
Is it heavy?
No.
No.
I mean, you do not have to kind of bite into it.
Is it because it's frozen, or if you let it like sit out for like a few minutes, you think it would? Yeah, it says wrapped in a sweet dough.
Let it sit a minute or two. That's what it says.
Oh, okay.
And it's already been, you know, that since it's been out. So
That's why it hurts so much to bite into it.
inside, outside. It's what inside that counts, right? Or what's on the outside? One way to find out. Grab a Mimo. Feel the curious coolness in your hand. Stretch it. Squeeze it. Take a nibble. Take a bite. Sink your tongue in. The savor of flavor. Lick the powder off your lips. Wrap up that one last creamy, mocha-licious mouthful. Verdict: sweet mochi exterior or velvety ice cream interior. You may just need another to help you decide. I like it. Eat it already.
It's so weird. It's cold.
Eat the whole thing.
It looks gross now.
Right? She's trying to suck all the ice cream off the dough. And then that's not how it's supposed to be eaten.
I don't care. I don't really like the outside, as I said.
Well, I think it's 4 out of 5. I think it's really good.
The outside's a 4, the outside's a 3.
I'll get her introduced to more Japanese stuff here in the future because we're about ready to do another one of these.
know.
Next episode.
I'll be like,
Anyway, we'll see you on next episode of Graham Snacks. We'll see you on next episode.